What's up guys, welcome back to Techie Anish, and today we are showing you a Bluetooth speaker, and that is the Boat Stone 193. As shown in the thumbnail, it is a very compact speaker. You can easily hang it on your door and it won't even take any space. So let's look at it in all its glory. Here is our tiny speaker, and for all the audiophiles out there, this speaker has 5 watt of output. It's got 52 drivers, so that's nice, and it has Bluetooth 5.0. Could have been 5.1, but that's fine. It has 4 hours of playback with its 800 mAh battery, and it is also IPX7 water resistant, so you can easily put this into your bathroom as well. Inside the box you get one speaker, one micro USB cable, one audio cable, manual and warranty card. So let's open the box, and straight away you get the speaker, and if we look inside it, we get the charging cable and the 3.5 cable, and along with it you get this 1-year warranty card, a manual, and something weird called Sunburn, which has all the celebrities promoting both products. Back to the speaker. So guys, this is how it looks like. On the top you have the speaker with the media control buttons like play, pause, volume up and down, which has also multiple uses like skipping to next or previous track, and also to answer calls. Yes, you can answer calls on this speaker as it has got the microphone built right into it. It has this string attached to it, so you can hang it anywhere if you want, but if I hide this, it looks like a Google Home Mini but in black color. The power on and off button is on the side, but it also powers off automatically after some time if you are not using it. It's also got this M button alongside the power button, which is the mode button to switch between Bluetooth playback and an aux cable playback. Just press the button and it will switch. You have to open this flap so you can access the charging port, and this is where I am disappointed because it has still got the micro USB and not the USB type C. Almost nothing in my house has a micro USB now, but we do get the cable inside the box, so at least that helps. Alongside that you can plug in your aux cable, so overall it looks good and modern, which would perfectly blend into your interior. So let's power the speaker on by long pressing this power button.
You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
So let's also pair it with the phone now.
You're now connected to Boat Stone.
So guys, time to test its sound quality, and I will be playing NCS music so we don't get into any trouble. Let's also compare it with my smart clock in the bedroom. This is the Lenovo smart clock, and it's a completely different category of product, but since the speaker is going to stay in my bedroom, I will like both of them to go head to head against each other. So again we will play a different NCS track. Pretty even, I would say, in the comparison. Of course, technically the Boat beats it in sound quality, in bass and clarity of voice, but again this is just much more than a speaker. Since this speaker also supports calling, I will just show you a demo and I will ask my friend to call me so I can show you the call receiving feature.
Incoming call. Incoming call.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, bro. What's up?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. I'm just testing this Bluetooth speaker, so are you able to hear my voice clearly?
Yeah, yes, I'm able to hear you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Sure, bye.
So guys, the speaker is good with nice bass and it does not really give up at max volume. Some speakers are really shrill at max volume, but this one is not. It sounds nice and also fills up the entire room. So overall a nice package for a speaker, but I wish it had a USB type C instead of micro USB. But other than that, it's nice and you can definitely give it a try. But if you are a fan of smart speakers, then this speaker is not for you guys. I would recommend you buy the Amazon Echo Dot or the Google Home Mini because they are much more than just speakers. They can be a hub to your full-fledged smart home. But they come at a cost of sound quality and also they require continuous power supply that might increase your electricity bill, unlike this Bluetooth speaker which just requires charging like a normal smartphone when the battery is dead. So guys, you decide what is really good for you, a Bluetooth speaker or a smart speaker. I am giving you all the links in the description so you can check them out for yourself. So if you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have this speaker, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon.